In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator in Typeform. Whether you're working on a project with a team or just need an extra set of hands to manage your surveys and forms, sharing your workspace in Typeform can greatly enhance productivity and streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to the Typeform website. This is where all the magic happens. Typeform is a versatile tool that allows you to create beautiful, interactive surveys, forms, and quizzes that are engaging for your audience. Once you're on the website, you'll want to log into your account to access your workspaces and forms. Look for the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you've used Typeform before, you might have linked it to your Google account for an easier sign-in process. If that's the case, just choose the Continue with Google option. This step really simplifies the login process and lets you bypass having to remember another password, which, let's be honest, is a relief given how many passwords we juggle these days. Wait for a couple of moments as the login process completes. Keep in mind that internet speed and server response times can vary a bit, so this might take a little while. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your workspace. You should see your workspace or a list of workspaces if you manage or are a part of multiple teams. Each workspace in Typeform is like a dedicated room for a specific project or team, keeping everything nice and organized for easy access. Now, go ahead and select the workspace where you want to add a collaborator. Here's where it gets a bit more involved. Inside your selected workspace, you're going to look for the Invite option. This might be represented by an icon or a text button, depending on any recent updates to the Typeform interface. Clicking on this will start the process of adding new members to your workspace. Inviting collaborators is not just about getting another pair of hands to help you out. It's also about sharing the creative process. You can invite up to 5 or 6 more people, depending on your subscription plan. It's important to remember that collaboration features are only available for accounts with subscriptions, so make sure your account is eligible for this. Typeform has tailored its collaboration features to ensure that you can bring on board a small team without needing to upgrade to an enterprise solution. This makes it perfect for small businesses and project teams alike. You'll simply choose where you need these extra seats, specifically which workspace you want these collaborators to join, and send them an invite. This level of flexibility allows you to scale your team dynamically based on the needs of each project. Now let's pause for a moment and keep in mind that adding collaborators is a feature reserved for paid subscriptions. If you're currently working with a free account, this might be the perfect opportunity to consider whether upgrading is right for your needs. Paid plans not only allow you to add team members, but also come equipped with a host of other features that can help elevate your data collection process. Once you've added your collaborators, they will receive an invitation to join your Typeform workspace. It's a good idea to give them a heads up that an invite is on its way. This ensures they know to look out for it, so it doesn't get lost in the shuffle of daily emails. And there you have it! With just a few simple steps, you've successfully added collaborators to your workspace in Typeform. This functionality doesn't just enhance the way you work by enabling teamwork and cooperation. It also opens up new possibilities for how you manage and implement surveys, forms, and quizzes. Typeform continues to be a powerful tool for creating, engaging, and interactive online forms. By leveraging the collaborative features it offers, you can take your projects to the next level, ensuring that every form, survey, or quiz you create is a collective effort that benefits from the insights and expertise of your team. This wraps up our tutorial on how to add a collaborator to your Typeform workspace. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more comfortable navigating Typeform's collaborative features. Here's to more productive and engaging projects ahead. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing and liking it. Thank you for watching.